Running a small business is no easy task, especially when you're a one-person show. But having one place to save and organize all of the things it takes to run your small business, now that's a lifesaver. Imagine one centralized place for your invoices, for your orders, market research, logos, creative assets, social media plans, and so much more. And imagine that place being free. In today's video, I'm going to share how BubbleUp, a mobile and desktop app that is ideal for all things business, can help simplify your life. Juggling a bunch of different hats? It's not easy, but having a great organizational system in place can certainly ease the burden. Here are some areas where BubbleUp can lend a helping hand when you don't want to pay for expensive software. First up, invoices. Saving your invoices in a visually organized system can be handy in more ways than one. I recommend creating a parent folder for your business and making a subfolder for invoices. Within your invoices folder, you can further organize by year, then month, then client. When tax season comes along, you'll be very happy that you did. You'll also have a visual way of reflecting on how much work you did each month. Pro tip: create or sync a Google Sheet that tracks your monthly income and save it in your business folder. Next up, tax documents. The sheer amount of documentation needed to file them can be extremely overwhelming. Compile all of your required forms and docs in a BubbleUp folder for an easy tax season. And who doesn't want one of those? Every email that contains a tax document, put it in your tax folder. The interest forms that you have to track down and download, put them in your folder too. Furthermore, your business expenses can get their very own subfolder. Use the in-app camera to snap those receipts and save them. No matter what form your expenses take, BubbleUp's ability to store any media type keeps things simple. At the end of the day, whether it's you or an accountant doing your taxes, someone will be thrilled with this level of financial organization. Next up, we have tax documents. The sheer amount of paperwork that is needed to file them can be really overwhelming. Next, let's talk about contracts. Making a folder for each of your clients can be immensely helpful. After going back and forth on contracts, save the final version in your client folder. If there are any important emails you'd like to hang on to, forward them directly to BubbleUp to keep them safe and organized. If you produce digital deliverables as a part of your services, BubbleUp is a great place for saving them and sharing them with clients. Save the content in a folder and then create a role. It's an instant website that beautifully organizes the content under a single URL. Clients can download the content straight from the role itself, and they will be oh so impressed. For step-by-step instructions, you can check out our blog post linked below. Pro tip: a role is an excellent way to create a portfolio of your work when you're out there pitching to new clients. I've also created a video on how to do this, and it is linked in the description. Another handy thing to save in a folder is your creative assets. Whether it be variations of your logo, headshots, or even product shots, your brand-related media can all live in a folder. You'll have no problem finding them when you need them in a pinch. You can also share assets with others by copying a shareable link. If you're all about social media, BubbleUp can help you plan out your posts, and it's also a really great space for brainstorming. You can organize your content monthly or weekly. And if we're talking about Instagram, for example, you can upload the images and write your captions and hashtags in a note. You can see how your photos will look side by side by viewing them in grid view. You don't have to run your small business alone. With BubbleUp, you can visually manage many aspects of your business and streamline the process. With the help of eye-catching folders that allow you to organize any media type, and features like checklists, roles, and shareable links, your business will be running smoother than ever. So if you're into productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!